Cold air and lake effect snow kind of topping our weather headlines still as we slide through this week, as we slide past mid-January. But this view from Lake Erie and Erie, Pennsylvania, where up to 2 feet of snow came down, and another shot downwind of the eastern Great Lakes region, allowing some more and additional lake effect snow to push through parts of Buffalo, New York, near Watertown, and some of those areas out near Oswego County, picking up close to 3 feet of snowfall. Very mild from the lower Mississippi Valley on west, and a little Chinook effect taking place, the downsloping wind helping to warm things up. It was also very breezy yesterday in southeastern Wyoming, but there's that core of cold air. Chunks of cold air continue to rotate around that polar vortex setting up over the Hudson Bay. So each one of these impulses of energy that pushes through helps to drop temperatures a little bit more. So no surprise that we're warmer than average from the Front Range down to Texas and lower Mississippi Valley, but watch this colder air mass push through the eastern half of the nation again today. So anywhere from 10 to near 20, 25 degrees colder than average. Starting out very cold this morning, in fact, 20s to 30s below zero up there, and then you factor in that wind, and it is very cold with wind chill values as far south as Indianapolis, down close to the sub-zero range. So wind chill headlines continue from the upper Mississippi Valley to the northern New England states. And within this cold air mass, of course, that lake effect snow continues. And then switching a little bit, instead of seeing that northwesterly wind, more of a northerly component to the wind. So you're seeing some lake effect headlines near southern Lake Michigan, and then more so for parts of, say, the western UP of Michigan, and also downwind of Lake Erie. Snowfall yesterday coming in at 3.2 in Grand Rapids. How about that? Milwaukee picking up 1.3 inches of snow yesterday, where they've had a snow drought. And here are those numbers from average. And look at the negative numbers, anywhere from 1 to 2, even 3+ feet of snow below average. Considering that this year has been fairly mild, the lack of Arctic air can be blamed on the lack of lake effect snow. So snowfall yesterday in these areas, with snow ongoing this morning. So nice to see that. We also had a little bit of snow pushing through the mid-Atlantic region and parts of the say northeast. And again, we have another system that'll be pushing into the Tennessee Valley with wintry type precipitation, freezing rain, even a little bit of snowfall potential there. And that Clipper system is located here. So by tonight and Friday, we'll see some of that moisture push into those areas. And we're going to stay fairly active now across the west, with California really getting doused with moisture. So look at that system rolling through the Great Lakes and eventually the northeast by tonight and tomorrow, spreading in that moisture. And over the next 5 days or so, it does appear that the west and the northeast will get a little bit more active weather.